Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to hide photos and videos on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Photos app. Now from here, just tap on the three dots at the top right of the screen and tap on Select. Now just select the photos and videos which you want to hide. Just like that. Now once you select the photos and videos which you want to hide, then tap on Set as Private. From here, just tap on OK. Then select Set Password. Now just create a 6-digit PIN for your private album. Then select Use. Then enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now you can link this password to your Oppo account, or you can select Not Now. Now just link your privacy password to your account, or to a recovery email, or to a question, in case if you forget your privacy password. For now, I will select recovery email, and in this section, just enter your recovery email. After you enter your recovery email, then tap on Continue. Now on this page, just go back and select Set as Private. Then tap on OK. And once you do that, you will hide the photos and videos from your gallery app. Now to view the hidden photos and videos from your gallery app, then tap on Albums. And from here, you will find an option for Private. Just tap on it. Now from here, just enter the PIN for your private album. And once you do that, you will find all the photos and videos which you have hidden. And this is how you can hide photos and videos on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.